So once the app has been installed, access the app from your desktop. You will then be required to enter your mobile number, so 083. Do not tick that you already have a loyalty card. You will receive an SMS with a one-time PIN. Enter the one-time PIN. Click on next. You'll then be required to register, so you select a store that you want to register at. So pick one that is closest to you, and then you complete the fields. Complete all the necessary fields, the date of birth, and click on next. Specify a password, and then click on register. That'll then take you through to the profile screen, which will look something like that. And then by clicking on your home button, it'll take you through to your stamp card.